Editing videos with coding models was kind of hard until Opus 5 released, and now you can create some actual editing videos with the help of just Claude Code using Opus 5. And this video will be a proper guide how you can do it, everything from starting to end, each step by step, what to use and what to not. So yeah, this video is all you need to edit your videos using Claude Code. So first of all, we need two things. First, of course, the Claude Code. If you don't have, go to Claude Desktop. The website link is in the description. It will help you to get the Claude Code download. Just set up it, log in, and another is a plugin by browser use, which is called Video Use. Its link is in the description. So this is GitHub repository. It helps you, the Claude Code to edit your videos with proper credential, proper skills, proper, all the libraries needed for editing these videos. Okay, so first of all, let's just copy this GitHub repository and just go to Claude Code and say, install this repository, set up this. That's all you need to do, and Claude Code will set up this repository, and it may ask a one API key by 11 Labs, which you can get from 11 Labs/API keys. Don't worry, it's free of cost. So yeah, you can just give it for the sake of it, and that's all you need. Now, once the video use plugin is properly set up, everything looks perfect, it's time to edit videos and see what it happens. So for example, editing these videos, I'll bring some like random clips, stock footages, videos, so you can get a pretty much good idea how we're gonna do that. All right, so let's just start. So this is our first tutorial. We will collect mountains, shitty shots, ocean, cars, kind of footage of stock footages, and once we have them, what we're gonna do is simply just import them into Claude Code. Yep, you can see right now. And once we have it, we will give a prompt like create a cinematic travel trailer for these clips, add slow zooms, cinematic color grading, atmospheric music timing, elegant title card, smooth transition, make it feel like a Netflix documentary. And I know this prompt is pretty interesting, and that's why I'm saying that giving the video editing coding your prompt will make your video much better. All right, so just let it do its work, and once it's done, the video is in front of you because I'm gonna fast forward it, right? So this is the travel trailer which we made from random clip collection, and this looks very good actually. I mean, I was not expecting a travel trailer to be like this good with just random clips. Claude Code did color grading with cinematic level. The title text card you can see right on your screen looks very premium. I mean, this is what I'm talking about, like how Claude Code has now evolved to the things that you can do for you without you hitting any editing software. You can see the pacing and the smooth transition. It is very good. I mean, the picture ratio is also like very consistent. That makes it, and also there are some text, like it just makes you feel like Netflix documentary intro or something. But anyways, so this was our first demonstration. There are more to come, but yeah, the first demonstration, I hope it made you think about this Claude Code editing workflow again and again. All right, so another time we're gonna do is a simple prompt. This time we're gonna do create a YouTube short video style video, and this time we're gonna give it a clips of the same random 5 to 10 clips or whatever the clips you want, 1 or 2 or 3 clips, that's up to you. And this time I will find the clips which are like 9:16. Now once we have it, we will say create a viral YouTube short, cut aggressively every 2 to 3 seconds, add animated caption, highlight important moments, and add zoom effects and modern creator style subtitles. Now once we have it, we will just give it to Claude Code. Sometimes Claude Codes ask you the questions like, what do you want? Do you want this style? Do you want this style? So you make sure that this is perfect. Now you can see I collected random running photos and video game photos, and now the Claude Code made a cut out of it, and using a proper if you look at this, it's using subtitles like we see on TikTok memes, podcasts, and this looks so great. I mean, this is just a demonstration, by the way, and if you look at like final production, if you want to make it final polished production, it will be even better than that, even though it still looks great. Now we have the like 2 examples that I already showed you, but there are more to go actually, which will actually show the capability of Claude Code in video editing. Now look at this one. This is like I said, make an Apple product advertisement, like Apple style product advertisement. So I collected random footages of smartphones, people using smartphones. 2 or 3 clips are more than enough. And then I captioned like, turn this footage into a premium ad style product commercial, add minimal typography, slow motion, clear translation, and elegant motion graphic. Now this, I know this looks insane, like, oh gosh, like how can it make an Apple commercial? Like this is like not good, but the output is in front of you guys. You can watch it yourself. See, all the same clips with now they have slower pacing, now have a text with Apple kind of font, you know, the say every moment, every detail. I mean, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Like, it can actually do things which I wasn't expecting to. It like makes, you know, color grading perfect. It, even if you call it out like you want fast cuts, it can do fast cuts. If you want, you know, you can add more clips, it can do that too. And yep, the good thing is it's still not spending a lot of tokens as I was expecting. It's still expending decent amount of tokens. So yeah, I think Claude Code is one of the best way you can start, you know, editing journey. And of course you can use, you know, your editing software with this to make it more, you know, good workflow. But even solo level, I think it can create decent enough starting point. Now let's see another documentary type of, you know, style video. So I created, you know, I collected the space stock footages, nature stock footages, historical stock footages. I just collected these photos, I mean the videos, stock footages, and I said in the prompt, create a documentary opening sequence like National Geographic, add title animation, cinematic pacing, subtle camera movement, and narration placeholder. I know it's just very short, but I think short form's working pretty well. Now let's talk about how we gonna show it. So yeah, see this Netflix documentary intro. Oh gosh, this looks so good. I mean, can you see this? I mean, this the subtitle behind it, the proper, you know, smooth translation, and like look at the subtitles behind it. For billion year later, a world stone and silence. I mean, it's actually, you know, reading it from this, and you can see the turtle scenery. It just looks so good. I mean, this is what I'm talking about. Like, you can actually make some really cool things now, which are like okay, so this is origins, a natural history. Okay, so it made some, you know, made up some name and stuff, but okay, I'm really in love with how Claude Code is editing videos with even smaller details are not being missed. And not only this, by the way, we have something even better. This time I said, you know what if we make some, you know, edit the same clip or something like add a lower third, breaking news graphics, subtitles, intro, animation, and professional broadcast style. And once I said that, I mean, this is gonna be really fun. So look at this one. Okay, this is like I said, the turtle stock footages I gave them, and boom, this looks seriously good. I mean, they actually added, you know, that news lower third stuff, which is so cool, by the way. I mean, I know it's like it's not that good, but even if you look at that, we did not even touch a single layer, single editing software, and we still got a proper news package. It likes how news works. I mean, this is what I'm talking about, guys. It can do a lot of stuff which we are missing out. Alright, so see another example. So this time we'll choose the same turtle stock footage, but this is landscape, right? 16:9. I said convert it into a vertical 9:16 short and automatically crop the subject, add dynamic caption, keep important objects centered. That's it. I said that's it. That's what I said. And once it's said, I mean, you can see the output is in front of you. Now it made turtle, you know, the video vertical, and it actually kept the frame. Like the turtle did not go out of the frame, it actually kept it centered, which makes me think, all right, this is like seriously going ahead, one time ahead. And now guys thinking like, what else we can do? Well, you can do comment and tell us what exactly the use case you want us to cover, and don't worry, we'll do that. If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial, latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.